Hi everybody, this is Raymond Lauchenko inviting you to Everybody Loves Raymond on November 28 at the Theater at Soler with the megastar Sharon Cuneta, acoustic icon Ice Segura, and bombastic senior Mitch Valdez. I hope to see you there. You can get your tickets at Ticket World.
Na parang you're really known for bagets. Do you mind it that you're really known for that?
No, not at all. I mean, bagets is the representation of an entire generation. For me, malaking karangalan yan eh. So, siguro nung sa umpisa, parang hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit hanggang ngayon bagets pa rin ang tingin sa'yo, no? Kasi marami na rin akong nagawang iba. Naging director ako, naging teacher, naging photographer. Pero bagets pa rin ang ano. So, I embrace it wholeheartedly now. Because that's what people choose to remember. And it's a good thing. So, why not?
Ano bang pinaka-memorable experience mo with the whole bagets experience?
Ay.
Yung pinagkakaguluhan kayo, yun ba yun?
Hindi namin maintindihan yun dahil akala nga namin naglalaro lang kami. Hindi naman namin inisip na sisikat yung pelikula o sisikat yung grupo. Ang inisip lang namin yung pagkakaibigan namin, yung relationship and the fun that we would have with each other. Siguro, that's why nag-click yung pelikula dahil wala kaming gigil na, kailangan maging successful ito.
Walang pressure.
Relax lang. Walang pressure. Enjoy lang.
May baget segment ba ang coming concert mo?
Ginawa na namin yan for the 40th anniversary. But the bagets are always invited sa lahat ng mga shows ko. So, sana they can come. Sana they can come. Yeah.
So, ano pa ang nasa bucket list mo? Ngayon,
bucket list?
At this point in time?
I want to do a show with Lea Salonga. And you know what? On December 31, magkakatotoo yan. Magba-back to back kami sa Soler
New
for
Year's
New Year's Eve. Yeah. So, one more item na pwede kong alisin sa bucket list. Kasi sobrang fan ako ni Lea.
I did interviews with Kokoy Loco. Did you also get the chance to act with Kokoy?
Oh yeah.
Can you share your recollection?
King and I, magkatrabaho. Tapos ginawa namin yung Best of Broadway. Siyempre si Kokoy, big star na yan. Ako parang saling pusa lang. Pero, I was a big fan of his voice, yung kanyang humility, di ba? So, yeah, I've worked with Kokoy.
So, can you describe him na lang as a person and your fond memories of him?
Kokoy was the sweetest, the gentlest, nicest person. Talagang walang mali siya yung taong yun. Tsaka parang hindi siya marunong mag-isip ng masama. He was just a sweetheart. Very, very nice person. Very kind.
Kung tutuusin, paras kayo ng tinaka kasi painter din siya. And you're also doing some arts.
Well, I don't paint. I don't paint.
Sculpture.
Sculpture, Si Kokoy, magaling yan.
Paras talaga kayong artist. Sino pa talaga ang pinaka-influences mo sa career mo?
Marami. Nung bata ako, sumali ako sa choir. So yung influence ko, classical music. O kaya yung mga kanta na kinakanta sa simbahan. Diba? Tapos nung sumali ako sa teatro, ang naging influence ko yung mga kanta ng Broadway, kaya West End. Tapos nung naging balladeer ako, yung mga influence ko naging sina Barry Manilow at yung iba pang mga magagaling na balladeer. Nung tumanda ako ng konti, naging influence ko naman si Tony Bennett. Kasi, di ba, yun ang naging idol ko. Imagine, ilang taon na nagpa-perform pa rin. So, throughout my life, I've had many, many influences. And all of these phases will be part of my concert sa November 28.
Excited na kami. Thank you, Raymond.
Thank you!